doesn't look too bad. So more or less this is how it's gonna sit. I'm just gonna slowly start putting all the pieces together. I have to get this O-ring for this section, and I'm probably gonna paint that before I put it on to look a little decent. So here's a little update. I'm actually putting all the wheels on the car. I'm gonna be putting it on the ground in a few minutes. So more or less this is what was done. Manifold is on. I don't like how this fuel line is, so I'm gonna have to redo it, but it is extremely close to this, so I'm trying to figure out a way around that. But just gotta buy more fittings and make more lines, I guess, and then I have a nice little smooth transition down to that, probably I guess with a 90 and maybe a 45 or something. I don't know, I'll figure that out, but so far it doesn't look too bad. So doing a little spring cleaning, you gotta junk all of these from all the shocks and jobs I've done over the summer, and those are teens I changed from the other Accord. Here's a little all-wheel drive footage. It's a little hand power because a quick glimpse of what it's going to look like. So everything is connected, it's on all fours. Right now this is kind of my favorite shot. Minus the bumper sag. Just a little small update. Just started to put it together at the front end, just so we could bring it back to the shop to finish it up there. But with the new orientation of the motor, it should give me more clearance for where the turbo is going to sit. Right now I don't have the turbo with me, so I can't really mock that up, but more or less this is what it's going to look like. Still trying to figure out this whole situation with the intercooler placement, the bumper, and of course we have to have the JDM fog lights. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I can't find another intercooler that fits the way I want it to, like this with a dual back door. And I have this one, but it's too narrow for the radiator to fit in between. So we'll have to cut off one of those ends and move it to the side over here. So we'll see how that plays out. But that's it for now.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.